text blasts get 6 times more engagement than emails, which is important when you're looking to send vital company updates, fill shift openings, or alert candidates to new positions. Texting streamlines and expedites administrative needs, like recruiting staff and addressing last-minute shift changes. With over 5 billion messages successfully sent, Easy Texting is the #1 choice of over 160,000 customers. Emails just can't compete with the power of SMS solutions. Why? Because texts have vastly higher open rates than emails, 98% versus 18%. And 70% of texts are read within the first 5 minutes. You can start messaging one person or a staff of thousands, all with the instantaneous click of a button. Texting helps provide seamless curbside pickup and delivery service, and can even help you attract more business by turning your landline into a textable number. Whether it's driving sales or traffic to your store or website, shift scheduling, or alerting potential employees of new opportunities, SMS allows managers to seamlessly connect with their workforce, providing custom plans and solutions. Easy Texting's scalable communications platform is valued by small and large businesses alike. Experience the power of SMS and take your communication strategy to the next level with Easy Texting.